In this video, we are going to practice problems involving unit analysis. This is a method used to convert from one unit of measure to another. In these problems, we put our measurements into a fraction form, then we multiply several fractions together until we can cancel the unwanted units. Let's practice a few. Change 7 years to months. I'm starting with 7 years, and I want to end with months. Well, I do know that there are 12 months in 1 year. We have our beginning unit. We also have the ending unit. So I don't need lots of conversions here. I will just use one conversion that 12 months is equal to 1 year. I will put this in fraction form, and I'm putting the year on the bottom because I want it to cancel. So let's multiply. 7 times 12 is 84. The years will cancel, and I will have the months left. So it'll be 84 months. Now notice we're going from years to months. So when I go to a smaller unit, it takes lots more of them. Let's try another simple problem. Change 12 feet to yards. I'm beginning with 12 feet. And yes, I should make that into a fraction. And I want to end with yards. Well, I do know that 3 feet equals 1 yard. Well, I have my beginning unit, and I also have my ending unit. I only need to use this one conversion. Let's do some multiplying. The feet will cancel. 3 we're going to 3 one time, and 3 we're going to 12 4 times. And now let's multiply. 4 times 1, and I have yards left. So 12 feet is equal to 4 yards. Now this time I went from a smaller unit to a larger unit. I didn't need as many yards, which is why my number got smaller. Find the number of inches in 5 miles. So I'm beginning with 5 miles, and I want to end with inches. Well, I do know that 12 inches is equal to a foot, but remember, I am beginning with miles. So what do I know about feet? I know that 5,280 feet is equal to 1 mile. That is the unit I am beginning with. These are the conversions I need. Now the miles will cancel here, but I'm still not to inches yet. I know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. And you notice that I put the feet on the bottom, so they will cancel. And I now see the unit that I want to end with. So let's do some multiplying and canceling. 5 times 5,280 times 12 is equal to 316,800. Miles will cancel. Feet will cancel. I have multiplied all my numbers, and I have inches left. 5 miles equal 316,800 inches. Find the number of seconds in 2 years. So I am beginning with years, and I want to end with seconds. I know there are 60 seconds in a minute, but I want years. Oh, what do I know about minutes? I know there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. But once again, I want to know about years. There are 24 hours in 1 day, and there are 365 days in 1 year. I need lots of conversions in this problem. So I have 2 years. I know there's 365 days in 1 year. But remember, I'm trying to get to seconds. I know there are 24 hours in 1 day. Okay, so now I have hours, but I want seconds. I know there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. I'm still not to seconds yet. So what do I know about minutes? I know there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. I am now to the unit that I would like to end with. So let's do some multiplying and canceling. I'm going to cancel my units first. The years will cancel. Days would cancel. Hours will cancel. And minutes will cancel. It looks like the only unit I have left is seconds. Now let's multiply or cancel the numbers. 2 times 365 times 24 times 60 times 60. That would be 63,072,000 seconds. So that is how many seconds are in 2 years. Let's try one more problem. Change $40,000 per year to dollars per hour. This problem also wants us to assume that we are going to work 40 hours a week and that we are getting paid for 52 weeks per year. And they want us to round our answer to the nearest cent. So let's write some fractions here. I want to change $40,000 per year. I want to end with dollars per hour. They told me that 1 year should equal 52 weeks and 1 week should be 40 hours. So not too many conversions here. I see that I want to end with dollars, and I have dollars here. What about this year that I would like to cancel? I know that 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. Now, year is in the denominator here. So I am now going to put it in the numerator. So they will cancel. So the years will cancel. I have my dollar that I want, but I do not want weeks. So what do I know about weeks? Well, I know each week is going to equal 40 hours. Now, week is in the denominator. So now I'll put it in the numerator for this fraction. I am ready to multiply. In the numerator, I still have that dollar sign. And I still have 40,000. In the denominator, I have 2,080. And I also have the unit of hours. When I divide 40,000 by 2,080 and I round it, I will get $19.23 per hour. Have fun working with your unit analysis.